Here we are on Portfolio 3, our last and final assignment, and we are supposed to see the attached scenario for the dataset description, upload the narrated video, and answer the questions included in the handout. Don't forget to answer the original research question at the end of your talk. Alrighty. Is household chaos predictive of children's problem behavior over and above parenting? So we're going to open up our data set and we're going to analyze regression, linear, and then here you can see I already have everything listed. So our SDQ is going to go into our independent variable, or dependent, sorry. And then block 1 is going to be the age and the gender of the child. And then block 2 is going to be the warmth, the anger, the positive relationship, and the negative relationship. And then for block 3 is going to be chaos. And then we're going to go to statistics. We're going to check all except for covariance matrix. And then this actually will be a 3, but make sure you change it to 2. And then nothing for plots, right? No, just kidding. Yes, for plots. Z predicted is going to go on X, and then Z reside is going to go on Y. And then for the next plot, Z predicted is still going to go on X, and for Y is going to be S reside. And then we're going to histogram and normality, normal probability plot. And then we're going, and then we don't use anything else. Everything looks good. We're going to say okay and run our tests. And then we're going to get pulled up our output. And then for correlations, here we're going to look at the most positive correlation, which is going to be between chaos and the SDQ that was measured, which means it has the most positive correlation. And then for our model summary, it's going to show us our degrees of freedom 1 and 2, and then also our R squared, and our adjusted R squared for each of the models. And then ANOVA is going to give us our F value and our significance. And then for our coefficients table, it's going to show us our unstandardized B, our beta, our t-test, and then also is going to give us our SR squared. So if you take part and square it, it'll give you your SR squared. And then we also have our charts, which is going to be our histogram, and this shows that it's normally distributed. And then our PP plot is going to show our linearity and also homoscedasticity and not heteroscedasticity. And then to answer the questions, how many variances does the final model explain? It explains 11% of the total variance, and 3.9% of variance is explained by household chaos. Which variable's significance predicted child problem behavior, which is going to be the negative, and then the household chaos, which P equals 0.032 and P equals 0.039. The regression equation for the final model is SDQ, which is the problem behavior, equals 0.741 plus parenthesis 0.002 multiplied by the child's age in parentheses plus parenthesis 0.026 multiplied by child gender in parentheses plus parentheses 0.001 multiplied by the child warmth in parentheses plus parentheses 0.011 by the maternal negative in parentheses plus parentheses 0.075 multiplied by household chaos. For number 4, the fourth question, yes, the residuals meet assumption of normality, constant variance, and independence. And then for 5, yes, we have normality. We also have homoscedasticity. And yes, we are also multicollinearity. And then to answer the final question, will household chaos predict child problem behavior over and above predicting? The answer is no.